The Leeds Spikers ended the first round with a 5-2 record. We have Coach Ramil Jesus, Angel Canino, and Shervan Lapo. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Despite the short turnaround in the last Wednesday's game, today, you played well. So, ano yung masasabi sa pinakita kayo for mga bata na may tulong ng late sets?
Happy ako kasi kahit na hindi kami halos nakapagpahinga, and then halos wala rin kaming time para mag-aral sa FPU. So, at least yung short time na yun, nagawa nila yung mga game plan namin. So, nakasunod sila sa game plan and then yung focus sila doon pa rin hanggang sa matapos yung game.
Thank you to the Sheriffs. Each of their attacks, 3 back, 1 service ace. So, despite the short turnaround last Wednesday's game today, you girls look sharp. So, what can you say with the effort of your team?
Yes, despite the short turnover, our team just really wants to work hard. We wanted to end this round on a high note, which I think we have done. And so that we can just continue this energy, this effort going into us round.
Thank you. To each of you had 10 of 25 attacks, 8 receptions, and 7 kills. So, do you think na kayo nag-compete na kayo ng kahit kung alam mo bang may nalabas pa kayo, especially nasa kalagitnaan na tayo sa pamilya na laban ng harapin sa second round?
I think nasa tamang path naman kami. Pero at the same time, kaya sinasabi namin natin na every game, parang meron kami nakukuhang bagong lesson and para makatulong natin improve sa team. So, andun na kami